Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to mark everything as read in Gmail. So to mark all emails as read in Gmail, follow these steps. Firstly, go to the Gmail website and log in with your credentials. Then click on the checkbox at the top left of your inbox to select all emails on the current page. After selecting the emails on the current page, a message will appear at the top of the inbox saying, all number conversations on this page are selected. Then select all the total number conversations in category. Click the select all and the link. Click the more box drop down at the top of the inbox. Then just click read from the drop down menu. By following these steps, you can efficiently mark all emails as read in Gmail, helping you manage your inbox more effectively. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.